Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Snow app. We will go to settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you have two choices. You can write the name of Snow app here, or you can just follow the alphabet of the application. You will search about the alphabet of S to find the application of Snow here. Then in this page of app info, you can click on force stop and you can click OK. Here you can go, or you will go to storage. After that you will click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us.